Try that.
All right.
Yep.
My name is Leonard Gianessi. I retired about 7 years ago after a 40-year career in Washington, D.C., doing research for nonprofit organizations. For the last 20 years of my career, I worked on research documenting the use of pesticides in agriculture around the world, and I made about 1,000 presentations around the world explaining the benefits of using pesticides. After retiring, I became interested in the U.S. policy toward Venezuela after reading that there were two presidents of Venezuela, one elected by the voters of Venezuela and one supported by the United States. And so I began reading on the topic, and after extensive reading, I formed the opinion that America's policy to oust the government of Venezuela was a tragic, misguided policy and should be changed. So I put together slideshows explaining various aspects of my concerns about the U.S. policy, showed these slideshows to my friends, and they encouraged me to seek a wider audience. And so my friend Mao Van Duren has filmed these slideshows and put them up on his YouTube channel. Now, I do want to emphasize that I've had no contact and I have no relations with any group, organization, or individual involved in the debate about U.S. policy on Venezuela. The views that I express, all the information that I've organized, I've done entirely on my own. So I hope you have a chance to look at these slideshows. I hope you find them interesting, informative, and I thank you very much for watching them.